think of my mother and my stepfather when I play this song. It's eternal love. I believe my steps are growing wearier each day. Still I've got a journey on my mind. Lures of this old world have ceased to make me want to stay. My one regret is leaving you behind. If it proves to be His will that I'm the first to go, sometimes I'm feeling it will be. When it's your turn to travel, likewise don't you feel lost. I will be the first one that you'll see. I'll be waiting on the far side bank of Jordan. I'll be waiting, drawing pictures in the sand. When I see you come, I will rise up with a shout and go running through the shallow waters, reaching for your hand. Through this life we've labored hard to earn our meager fare. It's brought us trembling hands and failing eyes. So I'll just sit here on the shore and turn my head away until you come and we'll see paradise.